Pacific One News, the news web leader, your exposure to the world.
Hi, this is Khushi Chauhan and you're watching Pacific One News, the news web leader, your exposure to the world. Today, India marks a monumental occasion. It's 78th Independence Day. This day on August 15th holds a special place in the hearts of every Indian as it commemorates the nation's hard-fought freedom from nearly 2 centuries of British colonial rule. This year, the celebrations are even more meaningful as the country rallies around the theme of Viksit Bharat, a vision of a developed India by 2047. Let's take a closer look at how the nation is celebrating this significant day. Red Fort in New Delhi, where the air is thick with patriotism and pride. Today, as the sun rises, millions of Indians across the country and around the world join together in celebration of India's 78th Independence Day. The theme this year, Viksit Bharat, underscores our collective ambition to transform India into a developed nation by the year 2047. The festivities are in full swing here at Red Fort, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi is expected to deliver his address shortly. In every corner of the country, the spirit of Independence Day is alive and well. From schools and colleges organizing patriotic programs to citizens participating in community parades and cultural events, the day is filled with pride and unity. In cities like Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai, landmarks are lit up in the tricolor and citizens are taking part in the flag hoisting ceremonies, singing the national anthem and remembering the sacrifices of our freedom fighters. India's diaspora is also celebrating with equal enthusiasm. In cities like London, New York and Sydney, Indians are gathering to commemorate this day with flag-raising ceremonies, cultural programs and community gatherings, reflecting the global reach of India's Independence Day celebrations. Public sentiment is overwhelmingly positive, with citizens expressing their pride in the nation's progress. Many are hopeful that the vision of Viksit Bharat will be realized as they see India moving forward on the global stage. Today, as we honor our past, we also look towards the future with optimism and determination. The journey of building a Viksit Bharat has already begun, and today's celebration reminds us of the unity and strength that will drive us towards this goal. Indeed, today is a day of immense pride for all of us. As we reflect on the sacrifices of those who fought for our freedom, let's also commit ourselves to building a stronger, more prosperous India. Happy Independence Day to all our viewers. Jai Hind. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates.
Pacific One News, the news web leader, your exposure to the world.